Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of dot product. So as per the problem, parallelogram OBCA has its sides determined by vector OA, which is equal to vector A, and vector OB, which is equal to vector B. Its fourth vertex is point C. A line is drawn from B perpendicular to side AC of the parallelogram to intersect AC at N. Determine the length of BN. So the first step is to draw the parallelogram OBCA to understand what's given and what we need to find. So this can be parallelogram OBCA. Now we can label the corners. So vector OB is vector B, vector OA is vector A, and a line is drawn from point B perpendicular to side AC. So that line can be shown like this. And we have to find the length of BN, and N is this one. So we have to find the length of line segment BN. The first step here is to find the angle O, the angle between vectors A and B. So let's assume this is angle theta. So we can use the dot product equation for vectors A and B to find angle theta. The dot product equation is we are given vectors A and B, so we can find their magnitude. So let's start with magnitude of vector A. We should square the components of vector A, add them and apply square root to the sum. So the magnitude of vector A is 6. Now we can find the magnitude of vector B. So I get square root of 26. Now we can use the dot product equation to find angle theta. So this is the equation. Now we can do the dot product on the left side. So we should multiply the x, y, and z components. On the right side, we can multiply 6 by square root of 26 and I get 30.6. On the left side, we can multiply the numbers. Now we can divide both sides by 30.6. So on the left side, we can divide 30 by 30.6. So I got 0.9804. Now we can do inverse of cos. And I get 11.36 degrees. So this is the measure of angle theta. Now in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal to each other. So that means the measure of angle C is also 11.36 degrees. So this is a very important concept we need to understand to solve a problem like this one. Now we can analyze triangle BNC. Triangle BNC is a right angle triangle because line segment BN is perpendicular to side AC of the parallelogram, and in this triangle the length of side BC is equal to the magnitude of vector OA because in a parallelogram opposite sides have equal length. The magnitude of vector OA or vector A is 6. That means the length of side BC is 6. Now we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the length of BN. We can use the sine ratio because BN is opposite to 11.36 degrees angle and 6 is the hypotenuse. So we can use the sine ratio, and the formula for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Now we can sub in the values. Now we can cross multiply the 6. So we get now we can do the calculation. So I got 1.18. So this is the length of BN. Now we are not given any unit in this problem, so it can be just units. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.